Introducing the telescopic clothes rod, a versatile and space-saving solution for your wardrobe needs. This isn't just any clothes rod, it's a dynamic addition to your closet that maximizes hanging space without compromising on style. Say goodbye to cramped closets and welcome the telescopic clothes rod into your home, because your clothes deserve room to breathe. This clothes rod isn't just a hanger holder, it's a closet magician. With its telescopic design, it effortlessly expands to provide extra hanging space whenever you need it. No more wrestling with bulky wardrobes or sacrificing your favorite outfits to cramped conditions. The telescopic clothes rod is here to ensure that your wardrobe is as flexible as your fashion choices. It's not just a rod, it's a closet transformation. But let's talk about practicality. This isn't just any clothes organizer, it's a space-saving wizard. Its telescopic feature allows it to fit seamlessly into various closet sizes, from spacious walk-ins to cozy nooks. The telescopic clothes rod is not just about hanging clothes, it's about maximizing your closet's potential. It's not just a rod, it's a spatial optimization genius. And installation? A breeze. No need to summon the spirits of handymen past or decipher complicated instructions. The telescopic clothes rod comes with user-friendly installation, ensuring that you can enjoy the benefits of extra hanging space without the headache of setup. It's like the rod version of a wardrobe assistant, efficient and uncomplicated. But wait, there's more. This clothes rod isn't just about practicality, it's about organization. With its adjustable height and width, the telescopic clothes rod adapts to your wardrobe needs. It's not just a rod, it's a personalized hanging experience tailored to your clothing collection. Imagine yourself perusing your closet with assurance, every item perfectly arranged on the telescopic clothes rod. It's more than simply clothes, it's about a physically appealing and orderly closet. Your closet, furnished with the telescopic clothes rod, is more than simply a place to store clothes. It's a vibrant fashion sanctuary. To sum up, the telescopic clothes rod is a lifestyle enhancer rather than merely a closet item. It's for people who know that clothes should have some wiggle room and that a tidy wardrobe makes you happy. Thus, allow the telescopic clothes rod to work with you to create a versatile and effective space in your wardrobe. Subscribe.